Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Every year since my kids were younger, I like to do something fun for their mealtime. So this year, since I've got a grandson, I wanted to do something similar. So come on in.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fool.
If you've seen some of my earlier videos, you would have seen me making these chargers out of Dollar Tree chargers. And I just added some paper clay to the around the edges and then painted them. And I have them set. They're so well made. I don't mean it, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I meant they haven't cracked or come apart, and they look so good. And I take every opportunity I can to take them out. So I thought they would be a perfect backdrop for my place settings. And I used those plates, the Halloween plates, in some of my decorations. But, since it's almost time to come down, I thought it would be perfect to just use them. So I've decided that I'm going to be making mummy dogs and Halloween macaroni and cheese. And my grandson's a little picky. I used to make spaghetti with eyeballs and witch's fingers as breadsticks, and he likes them, but he doesn't really eat spaghetti. And so I thought, okay, well, what does he like? And I knew that he would love this. So that's what my meal is going to be. But I'm going to put a little pumpkin ramekin on the place settings just for dipping sauce. And I'm not done yet. I need to put my forks, my glasses, and then the place setting will be ready. But I just used things that I had around the house just to try and pep it up, and I think they all appreciate it.
Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know.
So when I was searching for an alternative to what I usually make for Halloween, I looked through Pinterest and TikTok for Halloween recipes. And I found a TikTok macaroni and cheese recipe that people were using. They used one pan and they stuck it in the oven. And so I found this pasta at Aldi. I was trying to get everything there because it's close by and it would be inexpensive. And it's Halloween pasta. It has bats and jack-o'-lanterns and I think ghosts and spiders in it. And I thought that would be really cute. So the recipe called for like half a block of Velveeta cheese. I think it was about 4 ounces. And so you place that in the middle and then you put your pasta around it. But I ended up doing it in the wrong order. It didn't really make a difference, but that's what you do. And then you put in, I believe I'm going to post the recipe below, but it's 4 cups of heavy whipping cream.
I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair.
2 cups of chicken broth. Now, I didn't have this. I was improvising the whole recipe through, to be honest with you. I put in, you could put in water instead of the chicken broth if you want. But what I did was I got chicken bouillon that's flavored with tomato because we make Mexican rice all the time, and that is what I had. And so I put that bouillon in the water and let it dissolve and mix that with the heavy whipping cream. It asked for onion powder and garlic powder and mustard powder. Now, I did not have any mustard powder, so I just added 2 teaspoons of mustard. And then I didn't have any garlic powder, so I added just minced garlic. And I'm telling you, when I said I improvised. And so, and then the cheeses, I used cheddar cheese and Mexican melting cheese because, like I said, that's what I had. I blended them all together. I placed the cheese on top of the sauce, and then it went in the oven. Now, the recipe does call for block cheese. And it says that it melts better, but I didn't have it, so I just used shredded cheese. Now for the mummy dogs. I got brats, but you could use hot dogs or you can use sausage. It's really just preference. And so I was trying to make this as yummy as possible for my grandson.
We're so blessed to have you anchor our hearts and give us a fresh start. Wilderness, we come for you. Like feathers in the wind, we dance along. No urge of acting strong. Wilderness, we give you our.
I just rolled out the crescent rolls and pinched the edges together so that there weren't any seams.
Anchor our hearts and give us a fresh start. Wilderness.
I got the pizza cutter and made strips.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
I pulled them out of the oven when they were golden brown and they looked so cute. Now, I'd seen some pictures on Pinterest of people putting the little eyeballs that you buy in the baking section, but I just couldn't get myself to put candy on these. So I just got cream cheese and I rolled them into little balls and put peppercorns as eyes. After about 50 minutes of cooking in the oven, you pull your macaroni and cheese out of the oven and you mix everything together. So by this time, the Velveeta's melted and all of the other cheese in the pot is melted. And hopefully your pasta is melted, or not melted, but cooked some. So you pull all of that out and then you place your breading on top of it. You put it back in the oven, and then after another 20 minutes, I think it is, it comes out golden brown and everything's blended nicely together. And that was our Halloween meal. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me give you my honest opinion on the macaroni and cheese. I think that the macaroni and cheese recipe would have come out good. The pasta was probably not the best pasta for this type of recipe, but overall, I give it a solid 6. It was a little bit cheesy for me. I mean, it's macaroni and cheese, but it was a little too cheesy. Maybe it was the cheese I chose. I don't know, but it was a 6. It was pretty good. I think you have to eat it after it comes out of the oven. But hands down, my favorite macaroni and cheese recipe is Martha Stewart's. So anyway, I will post both of them below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy Halloween and stay safe. Bye.